Has your WhatsApp account been hacked on your iPhone? Don't worry, you can recover it and secure your account again. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked WhatsApp account. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open the Safari browser. After that, tap on the address bar. Type WhatsApp support. Then tap Contact WhatsApp. Now, if you're using a WhatsApp Messenger account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Or if you are using a WhatsApp Business account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Business support. So mine is a WhatsApp Messenger account, that's why I'm gonna tap on Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Now scroll down, enter your WhatsApp number here. Then enter your email address in this field. Enter the email address again in the next field to confirm. Next, choose your device like an iPhone. Then scroll down again. Now write your problem in this field like hello WhatsApp support team. My WhatsApp account has been hacked. Please review my account information below and try to recover it ASAP. Then make sure to provide your WhatsApp phone number and username at the end. Then WhatsApp support will review your appeal and then they will recover your account within 3 to 7 days. So this is how you can recover a hacked WhatsApp account on your iPhone. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.